now they are showing life.
Naso musangererekano bw'uko bisangereria ebirengereri by'abananchi iguru yari ichiko yoko bisangereria ebirengererio by'abananchi gose Public Participation Bill ya 2025 abwo ase ababisa kurwasi abisio manene bw'eri ichiko imensi ya Kenya yaro musangererekano yo obaletamo ababwatani au kurwasi county ya Kisii ime nyombe ya Kisii Culture Hall ime yomo chobo songo.
Is Clarice Kariuki. I'm a principal state counsel in the Office of the Attorney General and the Department of Justice. We're very happy to be here in Kisii County today. Our agenda was to meet with the members of public, meet with the opinion leaders in Kisii County, meet with the national government administrative officers to present 3 bills that the Office of the Attorney General has prepared. The 3 bills were the Public Participation Bill 2025, the Whistleblower Protection Bill 2025, and the Anti-Corruption Amendment Bill 2025. So these 3 bills are bills that are touching on governance issues, how to fight corruption better, and how to involve the citizens in public participation.
Barabekirana aso musangererekano yo naende banyora bagari okukwana na kure birengereri byabo nigo baye bolia serikali amabolia makongu abwa seli molia bolia lengebuna gose serikali ngokorere emirimo ebirengereri by'abananchi ebi bakorwa ase misangererekano ngabune iyo
kutoka sehemu mbalimbali kwa nchi yetu arafu siweko pamoja ndio sasa pili enda kuandikwa. Sasa imeandikwa, sisi tuna comment hapa, akina mama wako na shida huko chini.
I have not seen the impact of public participation before. And I don't know whether this one we are sitting here for is going to have any impact.
Bono nigo bayabolire serikali eire bitambukiro bya bene eriko sirobo kurumi. Anene mono sense moyo kubalika bantu emeremo.
I am comparing this like systems of employment in this country. Even in our counties, posts are announced on paper. People apply for jobs, only to find that their jobs had already been taken. The announcement is only for public satisfaction, that the Ministry of Health was employing 100 people. They put the notice, even on the newspaper. When the applicants come, everything is already filled.
Korende ababisa kurwasi visio manene bw'eri ichiko imensi ya Kenya nigo yabenekeria abakenya buna ebirengerero byabo ngo kibire gutumika asokoro isya richikerio.
Feedback loop is something that is a key provision in the new law, the Public Participation Bill 2025, that will not just be collecting feedback from our citizens, opinions, but we will also be taking the time to go through the feedback, to go through the information given and come up with feedback reports.
Kurwaiga ase amagacha manene ya Kisii Culture Hall abo ase abisi yo manene bw'eri ichiko imensi ya Kenya yanakabage kumirana n'abantu eriko sangere ebirengereri byabo igoro yobuya bwo kubisangerera ebirengereri by'abantu ase bitambukiro byokorero isari ichiko abo asa maboli amange anyarakabaga kuboligwa aseli nana kege madyabanga ne eserikali ngocheri yatumika ebirengereri biga koro isari ichiko Oseno gocha kubakwanira nabo igo kubaisanikia bosaigo yinko reporter ya Soko TV kurwagaiga asobo gatagati bo mochobosongo ireteriane Wycliffe Orenge.